extreme weather over here. We are actually looking at the forecast, how much going to rain over time, because this precipitation is going to be very heavy rain in Alabama, the history, the because the rain precipitation over time, because it was gonna be a lot of heavy rain over time, because this precipitation is gonna be incline and upcline October 6th, and it's gonna be very more rain over time. This rain is the coinciding with the high essentially for very long rain gap. Gonna be a lot of rain precipitation is going to get over time. And also how much will it be between dry and also the wet land is going to be in the path. Much the rain will going to get more of in the towards to October 6th, head toward the northeast. Then it's going back to the uphills around Great Lakes. So also we need to keep on lookout for each different model. Like them 12 color show you how much gonna be there, but it's still gonna be possible how much rain will it going to generate each year and time and when. Well, this October 5th, but it's actually going to start October 4th or the 3rd, and then the rain is going to be back to be more on October 4th at 5 p.m. and it's going to be a little bit longer period in the Gulf and by Alabama in the world. How much in that area by the Alabama zone? Well, gonna be a lot of rain. By Alabama. Well, is the Gulf. We need to keep an eye for the going on the Gulf. To see better. This is one of them shows how much precipitation will be in appearing. For now, then it will be going to get more. Then the heaviest will going to get to. Like maybe like 5.8 inches to them, but and see show you a little bit more better detail for this rain. You will eventually going to get around 321 inch some areas for this, because by the Gulf there will be a low pressure system moving to the north to feeding the moisture in over here to get more flooding in the Alabama region by Florida as well. And also, maybe on October 14th, there's going to be a lot of rain going to be taking over time. For now, the hurricane predicting a like 20% or 10% to forming over timing to take place each year. Going to get to like right now it's just 10%. And also more policy is to how much going on over time between the cold air and the warm air subtating on over time. Well, will be on the west, on the French will be very cold area on the October 16th to more to see where it's going head towards when that going gap going appearing on October 18th. October 8th. There's gonna be still gonna be there. Going to split apart. There's gonna be very cold and it will be combining with a massive one with a very very cold on the by California region, and then move downward by the round Virginia area. By California. Colorado. That's what I was trying to say. Colorado region. This will be very cold over there. Much going against with the cold air with the warm air. Says how much could be the difference between above average temperature and below average temperature going to get stronger over time. So it's going to be get very very cold by it on October 12th. It's going to be warm on the east, on the very cold on the west. In the middle is the round tornado region, but it's just going to be feeling about the cold air, and then with warm air, we're going to get chance for a really strong cape outflow over time on the next Tuesday. We need to keep our eye look for a chance for thunderstorm with that. And also very great for show you the gap between the warm air and very cold air on the west. Very dark because it's very cold, and there will be lots of warm area over time to take place. And it's a little bit warmer, but a little bit virgining area because there's very cold on the west. It's just peaking upwards. It's a little bit very, and also very fueling on the October 12th for these additional tracks. We should keep our look for chance for thunderstorms to play in and play outwards. That's what's going on over this next weekend or the coming days. I will keep eye on for updates. This could be the crazy weekend. This is extreme weather area here.